We've already seen that stars are held together in groups called galaxies. Today we're going to look at how galaxies are arranged in space. This is called the large-scale structure of the universe. First of all, let's look at a computer-generated simulation of what the young universe probably looked like. When the first stars formed, the universe was like this. Each dot represents a star. The universe was almost uniform, almost the same everywhere. There were no galaxies, just these very large, short-lived stars which we've already seen. After about 500 million years, the first stars had exploded in supernovae, and the first galaxies had formed, each consisting of many stars. So the matter in the universe was more clustered. By about 12 billion years ago, when the universe was about 2 billion years old, the gravity of dark matter had broken up the matter of the universe into a network of filaments. So we see that in this computer simulation. The galaxies therefore formed around huge empty spaces. Within these walls and filaments, the galaxies were gathered together into groups or clusters. The smallest ones contained about 10 galaxies, the largest contained thousands. Clusters were sometimes clumped together into superclusters. Since then, the walls have attracted even more of the matter and dark matter in the universe, making the spaces between the walls even more empty. The universe has the structure of foam, like the bubbles in a bowl. We live inside one of the walls of this foam. Today, there are hundreds of billions of galaxies in the known universe. So if you think about the whole universe, our galaxy seems very insignificant. But it is obviously very important to us because we live here. It takes light, which is the fastest thing in the universe, 1 million or more years to travel from one galaxy to the next. We say they are millions of light years apart. We cannot possibly travel this fast, so it would take us many millions of years to reach the next galaxy. Human beings don't live that long, and we will probably evolve during that time. So it is very unlikely humans will ever leave this galaxy. We are trapped inside it. For the rest of this story, we will concentrate on the galaxy where we live. I've made a model which might help you to appreciate the relative size of the largest things in the universe. The basic idea is this. Imagine the solar system where we live could be shrunk down to the size of a penny. Then how big would one galaxy be? How big would a cluster of galaxies be? How big are the empty spaces between the walls of these clusters? Visit pennysystem.co.uk and you will find a map which might help you to visualize the answers.